Get ready to revamp your ride with the 10 best car accessories you must have in 2023. From must-have gadgets to incredible Amazon finds, we've compiled a list of the top car accessories that will take your driving experience to the next level. Whether you're looking for convenience, style, or tech-savvy gadgets, we've got you covered. Get ready to upgrade your car game with the best car accessories on Amazon. Let's dive in. Number 10. Mbux Hyperscreen. Are you ready to revolutionize your car's interior? Introducing the Mbux Hyperscreen, the ultimate car accessory of 2023. But what makes it so special? This powerful and innovative in-car screen is packed with intelligent features. With its 8-core chipset and next-gen Gorilla Glass, it offers seamless performance and protection. The OLED technology ensures a stunning picture quality, while the AI-powered software adapts to your preferences and makes personalized suggestions. Installing and using this gadget is a breeze with its clear design. Upgrade your driving experience with the best car accessory of the year. Get the Mbux Hyperscreen now. Number 9. Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Are you tired of dealing with tire punctures and the hassle of removing the tire? Introducing the Tire Puncture Repair Kit, the best car accessory of 2023. With this kit, you can fix punctures without removing the tire. Simply screw in the plugger and seal the tire from the inside with the mushroom plug. The package includes over a dozen plugs, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Plus, the rust-proof stainless steel nozzle guarantees durability. But wait, there's more! Upgrade to the gun kit for an even easier and faster repair process. Say goodbye to tire troubles with the best car accessory of the year. Get your Tire Puncture Repair Kit now. Number 8. Ibigboi Blower. Have you ever struggled to dry your car quickly and effectively? Say hello to the Ibigboi Blower, the must-have car gadget of 2023. This compact device will dry your car in just minutes, leaving no trace of moisture. Not only is it perfect for your car's interior, but it's also ideal for blowing off dust from your hood and cleaning your wheels. With a 10-foot hose and 3 nozzles, it offers versatility for all your cleaning needs. Choose from 3 temperature levels and enjoy the benefits of its low noise and twin filter system. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's convenient to use and store. Upgrade your car accessory collection with the Ibigboi Blower today. Number 7. Safety Shovel Mini. Are you tired of spending hours digging your car out of the snow? Say hello to the Safety Shovel Mini, the must-have car gadget of 2023. This compact and versatile shovel from Stay Hold is here to save you time and effort. With its 2-hand design, you can easily clear snow from under your wheels, ensuring a smooth getaway. Plus, the sharp plastic accessory doubles as an ice scraper, making it a handy tool for removing ice from your windows. Don't let winter slow you down. Get the Safety Shovel Mini for just $15 and conquer the snow with ease. Comment below. How would the Safety Shovel Mini make your winter mornings easier? Number 6. Stagrack. Are you ready for your next outdoor adventure? Introducing Stagrack, the best car accessory of 2023. Forget about complicated roof rack installations. With Stagrack, all you need are the vacuum cups and 2 minutes of your time. Simply attach the cups, create suction, and load your equipment. Each rack can support up to 200 pounds of gear, providing both vertical and lateral grip. Whether you're a snowboarder or a cyclist, Stagrack has you covered. Carry up to 4 snowboards or replace the rack with a bike rack for 2 bikes. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for all your outdoor gear. Get your Stagrack today and embark on your next journey. Number 5. ULTIX TAIR. Have you ever needed extra storage space for your car, but didn't want to invest in an expensive roof rack? Introducing the ULTIX TAIR, the best car gadget of 2023. This inflatable roof rack offers an affordable and easy-to-install solution. With special straps and a quick 5-minute installation, you'll have the extra storage you need in no time. The ULTIX TAIR is soft, flexible, and won't damage your car's surface or leave any marks. It's compatible with various car models and can securely hold anything from a box to a surfboard. And the best part? It's only around $70. Upgrade your car accessories with the ULTIX TAIR today. Comment below. What other must-have car gadgets do you recommend? Number 4. Number Zero 2.0. Are you tired of cluttering your dashboard with multiple gadgets? Introducing the Number Zero 2.0, the ultimate car accessory of 2023. This magnetic smartphone mount does more than just hold your phone. It transforms into 4 different useful gadgets to simplify your driving experience. Use it as a stand, a fidget toy, or a piece of animated decor. Plus, add a few drops of scented oil, and it becomes an aromatic diffuser, filling your car with a pleasant fragrance. Say goodbye to a cluttered dashboard and hello to convenience and style. Get the Number Zero 2.0 starting at just $24. Number 3. TrapTap. Introducing the TrapTap, the ultimate solution to avoid speeding fines. This tiny gadget is easily placed on your dashboard with the included sticky pad. Its integrated LED light illuminates in 3 colors, warning you about red light cameras, speeding zones, and hidden speed cameras. You can snooze the alert with a single tap, giving you control. However, some users have reported limitations in trap detection and delayed warnings. By double tapping, you can contribute to improving the system by adding new traps to the map. TrapTap is GPS and Bluetooth enabled, allowing you to pair it with your phone for additional notifications. Keep in mind that a few users have encountered pairing issues. Stay ticket-free with TrapTap, the must-have car gadget of 2023. Number 2. SnoShark Snow Removal Brush. Are you tired of the hassle of removing snow from your car? Introducing the SnoShark Snow Removal Brush, the must-have car gadget of 2023. This incredible snow remover makes clearing large amounts of snow a breeze. Unlike shovels, it won't scratch or damage your vehicle thanks to its foam sleeve that's gentle on all surfaces. With a simple flip, it transforms into an effective ice scraper, tackling even the most stubborn ice patches. The extendable handle ensures you can reach every corner, even on large SUVs. Plus, it's sleek, collapsible, and lightweight for easy storage and portability. Don't let snow be a headache anymore. Get your SnoShark Snow Removal Brush today and enjoy hassle-free winters. Number 1. Smario D800. Are you tired of constantly struggling with sun glare while driving? Introducing the Smario D800, the world's first sunshade robot for cars. Developed by Smario Technologies, this innovative gadget is a game changer. With its aluminum frame securely attached to the windshield, it comes with a retractable sunshade and advanced sensors. These sensors detect the car's movements and determine whether it's in motion or stopped at traffic lights. When the car stops, the smart system automatically unfolds the sunshade, providing instant relief from the sun's glare. The best part? You don't have to worry about recharging it because the Smario D800 comes with a built-in solar battery. Say goodbye to blinding sun rays and enhance your driving experience. The Smario D800 is a must-have car accessory in 2023, with prices starting at just $80. Upgrade your car with the best accessories of 2023. Get them now on Amazon for the ultimate driving experience. Comment below, which accessory will you add to your car?